The Whatcom County Health Department has a drive-through location where you can get tested for COVID-19 for free. Everyone is welcome to be tested. The COVID test does not count as a public charge. The testing location is at the Bellingham Airport in Parking Lot A. Testing is available 7 days a week. The first step is to make an appointment for a test. You can sign up at testdirectly.com/Whatcom, or you can call 360-778-6075, where interpreters are available. Please arrive on time on the day of your appointment. Follow the signs, wear a mask, and stay in your vehicle. Staff will ask for your name and date of birth to confirm your appointment. A photo ID is helpful, but not required. The staff member will let you know when to put down your window and remove your mask. They will swab your nose for the test. Your test results will be ready in 2 to 3 days. You'll get a paper explaining how to get your results at your appointment. If your result is positive, you have COVID. The health department will contact you with next steps. If your result is negative, COVID was not detected at the time of the test. If you were exposed to COVID, even if your test was negative, please keep quarantining until 14 days have passed since you were exposed.